So welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Poppolive game option not showing. So if you're not seeing the Poppolive game option on your account, it suddenly disappeared, or you just stop seeing it on your account, then this video is actually for you. In this video I'm going to show you how to simply resolve that issue. So right here is my device. So let's say this is your Poppolive app like this. This is my home page. So in order for you to fix this issue, you're not seeing the Poppolive game option. I've actually made a video on how to find the Poppolive game. So you can go ahead and watch that video. I'm going to add it to the end screen of this one, so you'll be able to know how to find the Poppolive game. So if you are not able to see the game option on yours, this is what you need to do first. You need to go to your Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. Click on the search button and search for Poppolive. So when you search for Poppolive like this, if yours says update just as mine, you need to go ahead and click on update and get it updated. So if after updating it, you need to go back to the app. Go back to the app after updating it and check if the game option is now showing on yours. If it is not showing, you can go ahead and restart your device and check again. So if that did not actually solve the problem, you can simply go to your settings like this. Now your settings, you need to scroll like this and click on apps. So when you click on apps like this, the next step you need to take is to go ahead and search for Poppolive. So I'm going to go ahead and search for Poppolive. So when you search for Poppolive like this, the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on storage. At the bottom here, you can see where it says clear cache. So you can go ahead and clear the cache and also clear the data. So you need to go ahead and click on clear data as well and click on delete. Delete the data, then go back to the app and relog into the app and see if the issue is now fixed. Now if the issue is not yet fixed, you can as well go to the app like this. So if you go to the app like this, after clearing the app data and cache, yet the game option is not yet showing on yours, you can go to the app like this and check your region. Click on your profile like this, scroll and click on the edit icon at the top right corner like this. So right here you can see your country. So in some cases the game option is not available in all regions, so you just need to check your country to check if your country is among the people that the game option is not available in their country. Right here my region is actually Nigerian and I have the feature on my. So from here Google actually says that the game option is actually available in so many countries. So this might not be the case. If you are not seeing it on yours and you think it's because of your region, the next step you can actually take is to go ahead and log out from your account. You can go to your settings like this, click on the logout button and log out from your account, then relog into a new account by creating a new account. Create a new account and check if that feature is on yours. So if that feature is not on that new account, then you can know that it is actually based on your country or region. So the next way you can actually fix this is to make your account active. So sometimes if your account is not active for a long period of time, Poppolive might actually withdraw that feature from you. So in order to make your Poppolive account to be active, you can go live by clicking on the live button here on your home screen. Go live on Poppolive, share and receive gifts, send gifts to people, receive gifts, follow people's accounts and make your account active. Do this for at least 24 to 48 hours and then check if you now have the feature. These are the steps you can actually take in order to fix Poppolive game option not showing on your account. Hope you found this video helpful. Now like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. I'm Fix and In. See you in the next one.